Hope you're fine. Everyone like sparkling teeth, white teeth, and pink gums. But sometimes, due to different reasons, our teeth stained black. The main reasons are poor oral hygiene, improper brushing technique. Second is mouth breathing, and third one is intake of excessive iron in the form of tablets or injections. So there are various causes of black staining of teeth. The main thing is how to resolve these black staining from our teeth. There are two options. One is at home and second is by going to the dentist. So usually whenever we faced any problem, the priority will be to solve the problem at home. So there are various remedies to resolve or remove the black staining from teeth at home. Number one, the most important, improve your oral hygiene. Proper brushing technique is prerequisite to remove the black stains from your teeth. Always brush in vertical direction from upside downward twice a day before going to bed and before the breakfast. Flossing once a day is also important to prevent from staining in the areas between your teeth. Second important thing is use of baking soda. Baking soda is mildly abrasive, can remove the black stains from your teeth. Just mix it with water and make a paste and use it as a toothpaste to remove staining from your teeth. Third important thing is hydrogen peroxide. The recommended concentration of hydrogen peroxide is 3%. At this concentration, you can use it safely at home. Simple way of using hydrogen peroxide is 1 to 1 dilution, 1 part hydrogen peroxide and 1 part water. Mix it and rinse thoroughly once a day is enough to remove black staining from the teeth. Another important remedy is oil pulling. There are various oils for oil pulling like coconut oil, sesame oil, olive oil. You can swish these oils for 15 to 20 minutes in your mouth like and then spit them out. After oil pulling, you must rinse your mouth with semi-hot or lukewarm water to rinse off all oil from the teeth surfaces. So these are various remedies you can use at home to remove the black staining. But the most important thing is your oral hygiene, that is utmost important to prevent from black staining. Another important factor which you can use at home is avoidance of food that can stain your teeth like coffee, tea, red wine, blackberries can also stain your teeth. You can avoid these things or cut down the excessive amount of these things. Also, smoking is very important factor of black staining of teeth. You can avoid or quit smoking that will be beneficial to your health and your teeth. So these methods are for removing the black stains at home. Sometimes, in spite using all these remedies, the stains are stubborn and not easy to remove at home. Then you must visit to your dentist. Your dentist have various ways to remove these black stains from your teeth. The most important procedure for removing staining from the teeth is teeth cleaning or dental scaling, followed by proper polishing of the teeth to make the surfaces of the teeth smooth, more resistant to stain accumulation. That is the key to success or objective of the teeth cleaning. Second important procedure which dentist can perform is air polishing or prophy, in which a special device is used to remove the black staining and the device does not touch your teeth. The device acts at a distance from your teeth and polish all surfaces of your teeth and remove black staining instantly. After all these procedures, there will be chance of recurrence of staining. To maintain the whiteness of your teeth and to prevent from recurrence of black staining, you can use teeth whitening toothpaste that can maintain the smoothness of your surface of teeth and also prevent them from accumulation of staining. Hopefully, this video will be informative to you. If any question related to black staining and their treatment, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.